Today we are going to start to study the class conductors. The word conductors is derived from the Greek word chondrus means cartilage and the isthmus means the fish. Means these include the cartilaginous fishes. Features: they are marine animals with streamlined body. With streamlined body is streamlined to reduce the resistance in the during the movement. The skin is tough and contain minute liquid scales. Liquid scales. Mouth. Important thing is there. Mouth is ventrally located as our mouth is ventrally located. This is the ventrally located. Suppose this is the fish and as you see as a robo etc. This is the mouth is here, but here in these conductors mouth is found is ventrally located. Mouth is found here not at the tip, but it is found in this region. So this is the mouth is ventrally located. The teeth. Teeth are modified liquid scale. Liquid scales. So teeth are modified liquid scale and directed to the in the inward direction. So this is the teeth are modified scales. And one more important feature as by which it is given the separate name, the endoskeleton. The endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. The endoskeleton is made up of cartilage in the animals. And in relation to respiration, respiration takes place by 5 to 7 pairs of gills. Gill slits are separate. Gill slits are separate. and without gill slits. Without gill slits, sorry, without operculum. Without operculum. Operculum are the operculum are the gill cover. So that is this important feature. They do not have the operculum. And 7, they do not have air bladder. So they do not have air bladder, so they have to constantly move their appendages. They do not have the air bladder, so they have continuously move their appendages, otherwise they will be sink down. Continuously, they do not have the air bladder, so they have continuously move their appendages, otherwise they will sink down. Otherwise they will sink down. So these are few properties and more properties. So they do not have the air bladder. You know that the fish, at the bony fishes, what we will study, they have the air bladder. So they may remain anywhere in the water. And these fishes cannot remain stay on the surface of the water because they do not have air bladder. So if they want to remain stay at one place, they have to continuously move their appendages, otherwise they will sink down. So next property, eight. So one more important feature, they have spiral valves. Spiral valves in their intestine. This is sprawl valve. Spiral valve or the sprawl valve increases the area of the absorption and the digestion. So intestine contains the sprawl valve. They are cold-blooded. cold-blooded animal. Cold-blooded means that their body temperature change according to the surrounding water. Heart is two-chambered. Archil and ventricle. Archil and ventricles, heart, the two-chambered. Sexes are separate. Sexes are separate, and fertilization is internal. And some members are viviparous. Some members are viviparous. These includes sharks and rays. The class includes sharks and rays. Some members producing, some members having electric organs, some members having the electric organs. Some members having electric organs, as you know that the torpedo, and while some members having stingrays, some members having poison sting, as stingrays. Now examples: as I told that into the shark and rays, as Scoliodon, torpedo, stingray, etc. So these are the properties of chondric phase. Now next properties. So today we are studying in class osteocheirs. It is derived from Greek word osteon means bone and ichthyos means the fish. It means the class osteocheirs includes the bony fishes. So properties first, they are found in both fresh and marine water. They are found in both fresh and marine water. Body is streamlined. Body is streamlined. Mouth is found as a terminal. As we have studied in case of the SARS and rays, they are found ventrally. But mouth is found toward the terminal. Mouth is mostly terminal, as we have seen in case of the SARS and rays. Mainly the SARS, we have seen the mouth. Suppose this is the body of here. So mouth is found here. Here mouth was found. Mouth was there. But in this case, suppose this is the body and this is the body, and mouth is found here. Mouth is found here, and the chondric phase, mouth is found this side, and here mouth is found here. So mouth is mostly terminal in position. Skin is covered with enoid, cycloid or ctenoid scales. Skin is covered with ctenoid, cycloid and the ctenoid scales. Endoskeleton. Endoskeleton is mainly formed of bones. Endoskeleton is mainly formed of the bones. They have air bladders. This air bladder provide the buoyancy and help in the floating of the fish. So they can float and they can remain anywhere inside the water. No need of moving their appendages. So this is due to the presence of the air bladder, and sharks do not have the air bladder. These are the cold blooded. And heart is two chambered. Two chambered. Auricle and ventricle. Auricle and the ventricles. Sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. And most of the members are egg laying and fertilization usually external. Sexes are separate and fertilization is usually external. Usually external. So these are a few properties of the fishes and mostly these are the oviparous. So examples are the rohu, exocetus, with the flying fish, etc. First you can write rohu. Seahorse, etc. These are examples of the osteofish. So that's for today. Thank you.